you know, it's almost like the veterans can plug into that. And whether it's the game or even, you know, you get to game 45 and there. Yep. I think the biggest thing, as Monte Morris talked about and Tyus Jones as well, the fearlessness that Dunn has showed is KD slips inside to the mid-range.
He's playing like he's been here.
Well, he laughed after the game the other night as Harris with the ball fake able to get in for the little leaner in the lane. Voice and presence in that Pistons locker room for a new coach, J.B. Bickerstaff. Beal in a drive and kick, swiped away by Harris. And to lead to an easy run to the rim. And Plumlee hustling back, knocks it free. Jones on a crossover, finds Beal behind the stripe, lets it fly.
It's all just fed up with Tyus Jones.
Games 13 total in the limited minutes as Durant stepped out, nearly had the steal. Back to Harris, who guns the triple. This one will no doubt be a little bit different. Plumlee on the roll, collision inside, muscles it up and in.
Coaches always say, you have that thought, shoot it.
Drive inside, sets up an and-one opportunity for Hardaway Jr. Suns team that went to the NBA Finals. Durant off the elbow with Hardaway Jr. in his face. Not just 3 points, but did have a game-high 8 assists in that one. Harris turns the corner, runs a pass up top to Durant.
He might lead the league in dunk.
He just gravitated here, and essentially why he played himself to the bench is Durant with turnover and Cunningham with a flush.
In one of the finals games we got hot, I think that was a closeout game.
Jones on a straightaway three. But this team was not bashful about 46 of them. They knocked down 16. Good for 35%. Connection there for Harris. You said it, Harris with something to prove here on a number of levels as Beal splashed down with a wide open look.
I continue to remind people all the time, this guy led the league in scoring for years, people. You don't do that by accident.
No. And that was on a bad team. As Cunningham able to get to the baseline. And as you said, that is a good thing when it comes to Bradley Beal. Oso Ighodaro out there, along with Beal on a baseline turnaround. So Cunningham still, in many ways, finding his NBA game as KD gets to the baseline.
I mean, I saw that in watching him on other teams. I just think his unselfishness. He's a point guard at heart. Like he
Pocket pass stolen away by Hardaway Jr. and then gives it right back to Jones. Steps into the three.
Oh, that would have been nice.
Yeah.
He turned it over. He took it right back. So do you get that scratched off as a turnover?
He is proven to be a scrappy young rookie coming out of the G League, just 19 years of age. Malik Beasley coming off a big three-point final 7 seconds. Beal on the crossover. Step back contested jumper. Bucket getter. He's got a dozen. Trying to rip it away from Stewart, but able to get both hands on it. Here comes Holland. Explodes down the lane. Gets inside with a left-hand finish. An attitude. It's a three-point corner look there. Misfires badly. Ivy on the offensive putback. Backdoor cut from Morris. Great delivery from up top by Plumlee. Suns poke it away, get the steal. Transition up ahead. Beal explodes down the lane. Beautiful finish.
I like what Bradley did.
Shot 38%, a career high from beyond the arc last season after shooting 33% with just 300 attempts over the previous 3 years. Plumlee inside, gets it down.
And I think that's the key for our team. I don't mind threes, but we got 3 mid-range assassins. They have to know when to go to that as well.
Montecchio able to sneak that one up and in.
But the one thing you're going to get out of them is they're going to put effort. And with Bickerstaff on the sideline now this year,
you'll have no choice.
Yeah, you have no choice. And so
Frank Kaminsky out there for Phoenix. Durant with the roll, hammers it home. Ighodaro able to set the big screen. Jones connects on the triple.
Just didn't throw it high enough.
with a strip. Cunningham, quick pass, Hardaway Jr. Ivy flies down the floor, hammers it home. Finds Harris. Sidestep jumper, gets the bounce and the foul. Beal, sidestep jumper, Stewart in his face, doesn't matter. Only that big body. KD with the one-legged runner, but spins out on him. Quickly advancing down the floor is Ivy, who punches it down. Very good genes for Jaden Ivey. KD. Or punches thrown, I should say. It really wasn't a fight as Cunningham gets in time for the floater. Now keep in mind, this is still a Detroit team as KD gets a little one-legged runner to go down. This is a Detroit team. Their talented young star, Asard Thompson, who is battling back from blood clots that sidelined him late last season as Ivy connects. Plumlee, Durant behind the stripe. Downloads the triple.
Hopefully that.
Ivy, sidestep three. Got it.
He's really improved his jump shot, and I noticed that the other night.
Yeah, shooting with a very high degree of confidence. Shot 33% last season. KD matches. 6.3 assists for Morris. The drive inside by Reed. Gathered in by Morris. Advance pass up ahead to O'Neal. Drops it off to Bull. For a little bowl boom.
And a recovery, and it's probably going to lead to something good when you get that kind of hustle.
Montecchio on the drive, gets the reverse.
Happens every time, right?
All of those little learning and teaching. Now Montecchio gets a shooting pocket. Scramble for the loose ball. Ivy finds a Christmas gift. Always an offensive-minded references. Cunningham leans inside. We'll get the and one. He's got a double-double. Done fighting on the offensive glass. Can't quite get there. Beasley up ahead. Bull nearly had a steal. Stewart with the size advantage inside on Morris. Listen to that one. Write that one down. Cunningham playing the two-man game with Stewart. Gets the bounce.
I mean, he's not going to be the guy to guard down like he had to.
Bridges, the undrafted rookie out of Baylor, has had the fewest minutes thus far among the Suns players in the first couple of games. Run out opportunity here for Holland. Jenkins fires from three and able to connect. Gillespie into the passing lane, gets the steal.
You see how he accelerated. That's the young. Maybe the last game, they tend to rest guys, don't they? I mean, over the pass, right?
Wood takes the feed, gets to the rim. You know, and with the gap of 6 days between that last game, last preseason game on the 17th, your opener was on the 23rd. I mean, look, it would not surprise me as Holland. Yeah, that was the one thing that Bud has mentioned a couple times as Gillespie drops it off inside to Diakite, who hammers it home. Wood transition three pull up, long rebound back to Bull. Drops it off to Diakite. He should have shot it.
Right.
Gillespie will shoot it off the screen, connects on the three. Another Valley product. Chavez High School. There you go.
Yeah, I just spoke that into. I mean, I'd get to close out.
Because you haven't talked enough today.
I'd get to close.